Last year, around July 2023, nilabas ni Smart ang kauna-unahang prepaid eSIM sa Pilipinas. This is significant because up until that moment, yung may eSIM lang ay postpaid subscribers. So now, pati yung prepaid, meron na ring eSIM. We're not gonna go through the advantages of eSIM. Perhaps we can discuss that in a separate video. But for now, I just wanted to demonstrate sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng bagong eSIM sa phone. So to do that, you need two things. First, you need an eSIM. And next, you need a phone that supports eSIM. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So may nakalagay dito sa likod na information, basahin nyo na lang. But what we really need is this code right here, okay? So next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our devices setting. Ayan, yan din yung nakalagay sa instructions. So in an Android device like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, we have to go to connections. Then under connections, you will find SIM manager. Tapos ito, kung nakikita nyo, meron tayong add eSIM option na merong plus. We're gonna tap that. So there are two options to add the eSIM. One is by scanning the QR code and the other is by searching for eSIM. We're gonna select the first option. Lapit natin ang ating QR code. Ayan, di ba ang bilis lang. Add Smart eSIM. We'll tap on add. Smart eSIM ready. The next step in our activation process is to register the SIM. And to do that, you just have to go to the website, the SIM registration website of your carrier and go through these steps. And we're gonna do that right now. So yung process ni Smart, we just have to enter the mobile number, tapos magsisend siya ng OTP, tapos papasok natin yung OTP. And once we've done that, we will be able to verify that we actually have access to that SIM and we're gonna proceed with our registration. So ito yung medyo challenging part kay Smart pagka nag-register tayo ng bagong SIM. Minsan, nag-fail sa photo stage. And the reason why it's failing, sometimes hindi nyo nababasa yung content ng picture. Okay? Nagets nyo ba yon? It tries to take a photo, tapos ini-scan nila yung laman ng picture. Binabasa nila yung text. At kung may mali doon, or kung hindi nila mabasa yung text, magfe-fail yung process. So, ulit-ulitin nyo lang, try nyo baguhin yung angulo pag nagfe-fail hanggang sa maging successful. Okay, we've now successfully submitted our SIM registration and ang next step dito, aantayin na lang natin na mag-activate yung bago nating mobile number. Hindi mo magamit yung SIM card mo hanggat hindi siya activated. Okay? Meron din siyang confirmation na pinadala through text at sabi dito, it will be activated within 24 hours. May na-receive tayong text. Tignan natin. Mukhang ito na yun. Mukhang activated na yung bago nating SIM. Ayan. O, ang dami. O, SIM is now activated. Welcome to Smart. Blah, blah, blah. So, yun. We're gonna try to contact our new eSIM. Ayan. Gumagana yung ating bagong eSIM. Try naman natin mag-text. So since naka-smart tayo, the easiest way for us to check our availments is by using the Smart app. We're gonna download that and we're gonna log in right now. So ito yung ating bagong Smart eSIM. So punta lang tayo sa app, tapos itap nyo yung usage button. Tapos under that, may makita kang details and yun. Meron tayong free 5 gigabytes na free data, free all-net minutes, at free all-net text. Tinry ko ngayon mag-send ng text at ayun, nabawasan yung ating allocation for all network text. So yun lang, sana nakatulong itong video na to, and if you have any questions about the Smart prepaid eSIM or about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, let me know in the comment section. We also have a bunch of other content on our YouTube channel. Hanapin nyo lang yung Tech Kuya. Meron tayong tutorial kung paano mag-register. Tapos meron din tayong content about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Kaya kita-kits lang tayo doon.